Hello, my name is Sarah. If you want to know if Vitality Burn works, stay with me until the end of this video, because I'll tell you something essential you need to know before you actually buy this product. I also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Vitality Burn is: be careful with the website you will buy the product, because the Vitality Burn is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll tell you what Vitality Burn is and if it actually works. Vitality Burn is considered the highest quality supplement by many medical experts with its pure and highly meticulous formulation of natural ingredients. It went through a step-by-step process to ensure 100% safe and risk-free consumption. All natural herbs and plant extracts included in Vitality Burn's formulation have undergone various tests and research, led by a team of experts. The product was also examined and certified by the FDA-approved editorial and research team. It is scientifically proven to support and restore the cardiovascular system, LDL levels, sugar levels, cholesterol levels, artery health, blood pressure levels, and other health benefits. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and dairy-free. It does not contain habit-forming or tolerance-forming substances, toxic chemicals, and other dangerous stimulants that can be harmful to our general health. Vitality Burn works differently than other dietary supplements available. It helps you lose fat to achieve an attractive body weight without compromising health. This can only be done by targeting the root cause of your unhealthy cholesterol level. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Vitality Burn, and you can get results too. Something very important is that Vitality Burn has a warranty and you can actually test the product. And if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. Also, for Vitality Burn to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. And the correct way to use Vitality Burn is: take one capsule of it every day. You will take it every day and without interruptions, as this will be essential to your results. And it is important you do a treatment for at least 3 months of use. You can see the initial results right in the first month of use, but most people get better results after 3 months using this product. It is also important to know that Vitality Burn is totally natural and has no side effects. Vitality Burn really works. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I am sure you will have a good result with it. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video the official website of Vitality Burn, guaranteed for you to access. I hope I've helped you with this information.